Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories in sunny and hot South Florida. That's right, Margate, Florida. And today we got not just a great product, we got a hot product. That's right, something that's hot, it's selling really good. People are really liking it. I'll tell you in a second what it is. That is my telephone number. If you have questions, give us a call. I put the number, and also I'll put a link of this product at the bottom of this YouTube video. So if you want to see pricing and stuff like that, you just click on the link and it'll tell you everything you need to know. That being said, come on over here, John. We got a GMC Canyon. It's the AT4X. The one of the newer ones of 2024. And what do we have on here? Well, we have the Revolver X4TS. What does the T stand for? Well, as you can see with the camera, it stands for the TSlot. Now, people are like, if you're not familiar with what the TSlot does, let's take a look at my truck. All this stuff here is attached to the TSlot. So if you like this truck seat elevate system, by the way, it works really good with this. That would work on this. So if you want to have extra storage capacity, the TSlot lets you do that. And what's nice about this TSlot, it is attached to the rail. So it's going to have a lot more strength. Now this is going to have a 400-pound capacity here. It's also got a marine grade vinyl, and it's got aluminum underneath here. So it is a hard cover, so it's going to be super strong. And the manufacturer really stands behind this because they're going to give you a 5-year manufacturer warranty directly from Bak Industries. Now, of course, if we install it for you, we're going to give you 1 year on the labor. So that's a really good warranty. So before I get into everything, how it works, John, swing around here really good. Let's say, I want you to step back a little bit. I want you to see how nice and low profile this cover is. Even with the TSlot, it still sits really low. I like this look. It's a super clean look. And I tell you, covers, they have to serve a function, but they also have to look good. I think this one looks really good. Well, let's get inside and see how it works here. Oh, see, I knew it's locked. I unlocked it, and it locked it while I was talking so much, but I'm prepared here. Okay, now, the release mechanism on this. I know a lot of covers, it's just on the driver's side. This has a driver's side and passenger side. Now, why is that important? Let's say you're going down the highway, you have to pull off to the side of the road, all the traffic is on this side of the truck, so you might want to swing around to the passenger side to release it. So, now if you look here, there's your driver's side, and there's your passenger side release mechanism. Now, before I open this up, I want you to take a look at this big fat seal. Why is that good? Well, that's basically going to help keep the water out. And as you know, in Florida, it rains a lot, just like a lot of other states. This will help. Now, these are not a submarine, so they're not going to be 100% watertight. I get customers all the time. First question they ask me, is it waterproof? It is not, because there's a lot of reasons why it can't be waterproof. It's a water-resistant, weather-resistant cover, so keep that in mind. Now, let's go ahead and open this up, and I'll show you a couple of things. Now, if you look here, there's a little groove right here, right? This groove goes all the way along the track. Now, why is that there? So, well, when you go to close it, do you see that little silver thing here? It locks the entire cover here. Look at this, it's gonna lock all the way down the side here. So when I go like this, the whole side is locked. That's gonna make it more secure. It's gonna basically keep the bad guys out. So that's really good. Also, another nice feature, if you look here, you got your metal here, and you got this little thing here. This is like today, see how hot I am? I'm beginning to sweat. This is so, in case the metal gets a little hot, I can still handle this without a problem, because this part might get a little hot. Now, another really good feature of this is you have full access to the bed. That's right. When this rolls all the way up, you have all the access to the bed here. So you don't, you got a truck here with a 5-foot bed, not the biggest bed in the world, so you don't want to give up any space. And this gives you full access to the bed. Also, if you notice in the rear window here, when it's rolled all the way up, you still have access to your rear window. So you can look at your mirror. You can also, if you have cameras and your third brake light, it does not cover that up. Also, it's got these little bumpers here, so when you tie this thing all the way up, it does protect the window. Technically, it doesn't touch the window. When it's like this, in case something hits this and moves it forward, these little bumpers protect your window. And this will protect your window in case you have some really big back here. Now, to secure this is basically, little strap comes around here. I don't know if you can see this, but it's going to kind of go right in there. You just kind of turn it, and you just snug it up, and you can drive on the highway no problem without this going anywhere. Really easy to use, nothing too hard. What people like about this cover, it's very user friendly. Easy to open, easy to close. Now, there's only two positions. It's either all the way open or all the way closed, so keep that in mind. But as you can see, look how easy that is to close. Now when you go to close this, I always recommend push it from both ends here. Sometimes if it rolls, it might push a little to the left or to the right, so you push it down the middle, you don't have any issues. Another nice feature on this, you can open and close the tailgate while this is closed. I know some covers require you to open it up, close the tailgate and close this down. Not an issue with this one. I think this is a great product. This is probably one of the better priced products if you want a T-slot. Usually you have to buy the T-slot separately, or you have to go with a more expensive cover to get the T-slot. This is probably the most reasonably priced product you can get with a built-in T-slot. So if you plan to add anything racks-wise to it, this is a great option for you. Now, if you don't live here in Florida and you say, damn, I wish I can have it, can you help me? And I say, of course. We ship anywhere in the country. That's right. If you live in California, Hawaii, Portland, wherever it is, we ship everywhere. We have 30 plus warehouses. I think 32, 33. I lost track of them. We're all over the country. So we can ship it anywhere to you, and we get it to you pretty quickly. Some of the times we get it there in the next day. So not all the times, but we do because we got so many warehouses. So you can get it really quickly. And another nice feature if you buy it from us, and I'm saying if you buy it from us, if you get it and you have some questions on the installation, you can call us. We'll walk you through. I had a customer come in today, bought some on Amazon. It's not closing right. He doesn't know why. And basically I noticed it was installed incorrectly. If he had bought it from us, I would tell him, hey, you need to do this, this, and that to make it right. So the benefit of buying from us is you don't have a costly mistake. You get damage to the cover by putting in it wrong. Sometimes the directions that come with us are a little vague. Get it from us. You get us. Call us up. I'll pick up the phone, or Joel or Buddy or any of my master techs will walk you through any questions you have, but you have to buy it from us. And the price is all the same. So again, if you like what you see here, hit that like button. We really appreciate it. And subscribe to this channel. It helps us out like no tomorrow. We're a family-owned business, and those subscriptions help us out a lot. So I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories on a very hot day doing a review of the Revolver X4TS on a GMC Canyon AT4X. Sorry, I'll leave the bloopers in. Thank you so much.